Hi, welcome friends in this online class of Jijav Jnana Tirtha Vidyalay, Parbhani. In this video, we have to see the science of 7th standard. In this book, we are in the first chapter. The name of the chapter is Adaptation in Living Things and their classification. In this chapter, different topics we have studied up to the last video. In this, what is meant by adaptation in aquatic plants, desert plants, snowy region plants, forest region, grassland plants. After that, adaptation in animal, grassland, forest animal, desert animals, snowy region animals, aerial animal, reptiles. All these topics we have studied in the last video. Today we have to see the adaptation for blending with the surroundings. Okay, adaptation for blending with the surrounding. In this topic, we cannot easily spot colorful butterflies, lizards, and grasshoppers. They get camouflaged amidst grasses, parts of plant like stem, leaves, flower, etc. That is because their color blend with those of their surrounding. This is the characteristics of some animal to camouflage and get color like that parts of plant or environment. With the help of these animals protect us from the enemy, because the enemy can't find these animals, because the color of that animal, that part of plant or grasses is same to same, and this camouflage admit helps to these animal protect from the enemy. Changes that take place in the various organ and life processes of organisms that enable them to live, feed, reproduce, to perpetuate themselves and protect themselves from their enemies in a specific surrounding. Depending upon the habitat and its geographical conditions are called adaptation. See, in specific surrounding, depending upon the habitat and its geographical conditions are called adaptation. This is a type of adaptation, and this type of adaptation, this type of adaptation occurred in these animals. These animals protect us and live long. Next point, always remember, adaptation is not a sudden process. It is a gradual and continuous. That this adaptation process not occurs in 1 to 3 days. That is a slow process. It is a gradual and continuous. Differences in the structure and appearance of present day animals and animals of thousands of years ago are the adaptations that occurred according to prevailing conditions. It is our duty to conserve this diversity. The animals we observe in our day-to-day life, these animals are thousands of years ago on the earth in a different shape, size, and with the help of adaptation they survive themselves in different condition of nature. So that adaptation helps them to survive in different nature. So adaptation is most important. Next, Darwin's theory of evolution. Great scientist Darwin, Charles Darwin, a biologist, studied numerous types of plants and animals and suggested that only those organisms are likely to survive which can best adapt themselves to a changing environment. This is called the theory of survival of the fittest. This is the Darwin's first principle. Darwin says the animal and plants suggested that only those organisms are likely to survive which can best adapt themselves to changing environment. With the help of changing environment, these animals also adapt in this environment and save themselves. If adaptation is not occurred in that animal, these animal can't survive. If an organism is born with a new beneficial characteristics and is able to survive, this change is preserved in the next generation. This is Darwin's second principle and is called the theory of natural selection. See, survival of fittest, this is the Darwin's first principle, and Darwin's second theory is natural selection. In this natural selection, organisms is born with a new beneficial characteristics and is able to survive. This change is preserved in the next generation, and this is the natural selection. This change is go forward in the next generation from their parents. So friends, this is the information about the adaptation for blending with the surrounding. The next topic we have to study in the next video. So friends, we will stop here. Okay, thank you.